down Bishop, I respect all the people, and I respected chairwoman, I respected those people who overcome me, and may God bless each and every one of you. So this ceremony, I'm standing here to share about my life testimony. Before I share my life testimony, I already shared about my name and everything. So again, I want you to satisfy by hearing my background. My name is Mr. Macho, and I came from Wakchi East, and I'm studying in Kerala, Vijay. I already accomplished 2 years and 1 year remaining for me to complete my teacher's course. And I have a parents, and I have parents. We have 5 children, 2 elder brother, and 1 elder sister, and 1 younger sister, including me, including all my parents. 7 members consist as a family. So, when I took baptism in the year of 2013, and after that recently I decided to study the words of God. And before I studied theology, I took this God with my parents to study words of God. So recently, when I took baptism, after that I recently decided to join theology study.
Aru moi baptize kora logo moi theology study kore join kore moi decide korse mola monte.
And I discussed with my parents.
Aru moi ghor manu khan ama bua khan logote kotha korise
to study words of God.
Ishola kotha sikabo nimite moi ama bua logote kotha patise.
So my parents, we are poor condition, we are very serious condition.
Ami khan laga family to bisi dukhiya manu ase, dukhiya family ase.
So when I said about that study words of God,
moi kitia permission laga vajan study kurule nimite moi ghor manu ke kwa homoite
my parents they told me
moi la ghor manu bra moi ke koise ami ke koise
no our condition
apni bra mo khan laga family laga duk tu jane
we have no any income
ami khan laga ikku income nai
we used to cultivate and when that we used to sow that some plant
ami khan tukhiya manu ase ami khan sob jane khiti kura manu ininga tukra manu ase goina ama bra taike inga koise
and when that plant produce
kitia
fruit we used to sell
kitia idu fruit khan khiti de dibo itu olai kana itu bikai kana itu la paisa kana use kuri kana khode inga tuk thakise dan
yes only by that only we use
khali itu bra he ata khan family cholai kana thakise
for daily bread
khali daily needs nimite ta khan inga cholai kana thakise
so my parents as a last resort they told me
last time la ghor manu bra koise amike
if you willing
jodi apni munjur ase koile
as you like
apni laga munjur ase apni laga khushi ase
that what answer of my parents
itu do
not they cannot support
itu to moi laga ghor manu laga answer thakise aru tai khan bra moi ke ikku support tu thakia nai
so after that I am planning to earn money
itu bishe de moi paisa earn kurule paisa bisarule moi shuru kurise
and I called some of my friends
aru ami ghor manu khan moi laga sati khan friend khan moi matise
we 5 of us went to earn money to near my place one place name is there common and we used to take their home
aru tade amakan moi bra sati khan pasun nisna mati kena amakan kongan kwa laga busti te amakan paisa bisarule nimite mohan tade jaise
while we arrived at place
mohan kitia tade pungchise
and we work somehow there is work
to tade amakan olop kaam pai kena tade olop kaam kori kena thakise
and when we do that work is not satisfied according to we serve
aru mohan kitia itu kaam korina shuru hoise itu to tahan ke napungja ekta hoise
so last time we decided to go another place
last takan plan banaise dusra jaga de aru jabole nimite
when that at night
aru rati de
we all sleep
kitia mahan sob rati de gomai kena thakise
at night I has dream very strange dream I got very strange dream
aru rati de tai iman biya sapna paise tai itu rati de.
All the ladies came around me and they stick with nuggets.
Swali bilak sob ahi kena tar usode gomai kena dikise rati de.
So when we woke up early in the morning,
Kitia ami bisna bra morning te utise
I said about my dream.
moi laga sapna hopon du moi ta khan ke koise.
But they don't know that dream, how to interpret.
Aro moi laga friends khan moi laga sati khan itu kininga interpret kurbo kininga explain kurbo itu na jani kena thakise.
And when we went to another place,
Mohan kitia aro dusra jaga de jaise
and we do there some work, coal.
aro tate takhan tu koila laga kam itu coal mining de jaise koila jane na ami khan coal mining de kam kurbo nimite.
Before we settle there,
Takhan jere na thaka akide
we plan to make some cave-like hut.
aro takhan jere plan idu koila ami khan jaga de to mathi khundi kana loi to koila do idu nimite idu kem banawle nimite takhan plan koina
But
thakise.
surrounding that place, there is no any plant, bamboo and tree.
Aro itu jaga de to aro iku bamboo aro gas khan iku thakia na idu hak idu khor chutu khor banabo nimite.
So we decided to climb that very high cliff.
Aro itu bra takhan do bamboo aro idu gas khan lobo nimite mountain de uchibole takhan plan koi ase.
So we climb up. When we arrived at top of that cliff,
Kitia takhan itu mountain upore pungchi jaise
we cut bamboo.
takhan bra bamboo kati kena thakise.
And I think that I thought that I got maximum 20 pieces like that bamboo.
Tai bra bamboo 20 piece upore tai kati kena thakise.
So some of my friend, his father, he told me,
Aro kunuba mola sati la baba bra moi ke koise
don't throw it one time. If you throw one time, it will be burst. Because
ekbar
of the air.
bisi ocha hwa nimite bamboo tu na philabe niche de phelaisi bole tu itu phati kena jabo ina koise.
So I plan to throw one step by step to step.
Aro moi itu bra mola monde phapna koise aste kona yete bra yete koina bamboo tu ina niche de namabo koi kena.
And when I throw step by step, and when I reach that bit of that cliff,
Aro kitia moi aste bra loi jai niche de loi jai na pungchi thakise
and
niche de.
one of my friend, his father, he throw one bamboo at me, and it stopped with his stand, with carrying the arm.
Kitia moi niche de ina bamboo aste bra loi kena namai thaka homoi de moi laga friend laga baba bra upo bra bamboo do phela do tai ke nalagi kena mathi ke tela osode lagi kena rukhise.
So at the time I was much fearing.
Aro itu time de moi bishi bhoi lagise.
So I shouted,
Moi hala kurse
I am here, don't throw at me.
moi ami yate ase moi ke na philabi koi kena moi hala kurse.
So I thought that cliff is very high, so he might not hurt properly.
moi la phapna kurse moi ina hala kura do takhan itu pura nagunibo niki koi na kile bisi dur hwa nimite.
And at the time I little escape side and little escape on the side.
Kate ora tai olop itu bamboo phelai thaka jaga ora tai olop side te jai kena khara kori thakise.
Another one throw there.
Aro ekjon manu bra aro ekta phelaise yate
Soon after that,
itu piche de
he throw one again.
aro ekta phelaise tu upor laga manu bra bamboo do.
Especially hopefully I used to wear that leather belt.
Aur moi hodai itu leather laga belt tu lagai kena thaki kam kora homoi de.
But that bamboo came and tender. Even that there was a top and tender.
Kitia niche de thaka homoi de upor bra bamboo phela do tai tu niche de thakise. To bamboo tala satila baba bra phela do ide lagi kena bel tak pe phatai dise. Upor bra ha bamboo tu kiman jur bra aiba ami kan sob jane. Aha do ide lagi kena bel phatise aro tai ki tai laga gau dibi tu kise bamboo
So
do.
at the time, I was almost died.
Itu time de moi olop bra memory kana na thakise.
And when I saw him and I lay down with panic.
Aro moi to hala kuri na moi to big fry na giri kena thakise.
At the time he arrived and he hidingly looked at me.
Aro itu time de itu moi ki phila manu pura to ahi kena lukai kena sai ase chupai kena muri se niki koi kena.
I think that he thought only he will get after the day. Only he will get me. Only he will find me after the day.
Itu pura la phapna to ki thaise moi to muri kena hai pawotai ha homoi de koi kena pura to inga phapna kuri
Because
thaise.
of that, he hid.
Itu